treat for you. There's this pronghorn, we call him Airplane, because his horns are so wide they look like he's got wings on his head. And I know where he's been grazing with the rest of the herd. It's going to take some doing to get up on him. Those pronghorn, they've got great eyesight and hearing, and once they see you, hey, they're going to head to the next county before you can blink. Thus, you're going to have to get within about 200 yards for a sure shot. Well, you have your work cut out for you. Use the cover as much as you can. Rocks, brush, gullies, ravines, everything. In fact, you better be ready to crawl, sneak, and hide, because if Airplane sees you, you've got to freeze up right quick, or you'll never get close enough. You'll need to get within 200 yards to take him down. Smoked him. That shot was a thing of beauty. Track him down and claim your trophy. Congratulations, you worked your butt off out there, but in the end, it was worth it. Nice job, real nice job.